Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Gerber Stage 2 baby food is probably one of the most trusted and convenient options for parents looking to introduce a wider variety of flavors and textures to their little ones as they transition from single-ingredient purees, offering a delightful culinary journey that supports healthy growth and development during this crucial phase of infancy, ensuring your baby receives the essential nutrients needed for their continued exploration of solid foods. Number 5. Gerber Stage 2 Sweet Potato Puree Tubs. Introducing Gerber Stage 2 Sweet Potato Puree. It's a delicious and nutritious option for your growing baby. Made with simple, wholesome ingredients, this puree contains no added salt. You can feel good about what you're feeding your little one. We've kept out artificial colors and flavors. It's pure, natural goodness for your baby's developing palate. This smooth puree is ideal for babies ready for Stage 2 foods. It's easy for them to enjoy and digest. Our convenient 16-pack ensures you always have a healthy meal option ready. Perfect for busy parents on the go. What we like? This option focuses on the pure goodness of vegetables. It's perfect for babies who are just starting their solid food journey and need simple, clean flavors. If you're looking for a straightforward introduction to veggies without any added sugars or artificial ingredients, this is a great choice. What people say. The Gerber Stage 2 baby food is a great option for babies who are transitioning to solid foods. It has a smooth texture that is easy for babies to swallow, and it comes in a variety of flavors that babies seem to enjoy. I appreciate that Gerber Stage 2 baby food is made with natural ingredients and is free from artificial preservatives. It gives me peace of mind knowing that I am feeding my baby healthy and nutritious food. The packaging of Gerber Stage 2 baby food is convenient and easy to use. The individual servings are perfect for on-the-go feeding, and the resealable lids help keep the food fresh. Number 4. Gerber Stage 2 Chicken Rice Puree. Introducing Gerber Stage 2 baby food. It's a simple yet delicious way to nourish your little one during their important developmental stage. This blend features wholesome chicken and rice, providing essential nutrients for your growing baby. It's a taste they'll love. We believe in pure goodness. That's why this puree has no added colors or flavors, just natural ingredients you can trust. Designed for babies ready for more textured foods, it supports their transition to solids. It's the perfect next step in their feeding journey. With a convenient 16-pack, you'll always have a nutritious meal ready for your baby. Stock up and simplify mealtime. What we like? Consider this if you want to introduce a more complete meal to your little one. The combination of protein and grains offers a satisfying texture and flavor. It's ideal for babies who are ready for more complex tastes and need a nourishing blend to support their growth. What people say. The Gerber Stage 2 is a great option for babies who have outgrown Stage 1 purees. It offers a good variety of flavors and textures that babies typically enjoy. The packaging is convenient for on-the-go feeding and easy to store. Number 3. Gerber Stage 2 Apple Mango Oatmeal Cereal Tubs. Introducing Gerber Stage 2 Apple Mango Oatmeal Cereal Puree Tubs. It's a delicious and nutritious choice for your growing baby. This puree is designed for babies ready for more complex flavors and textures. It's a great way to introduce new tastes. Made with wholesome ingredients like apples, mangoes, and oatmeal, it provides essential nutrients for your little one's development. Each tub is perfectly portioned for easy feeding and on-the-go convenience. Simply open and serve. This convenient pack includes 16 tubs, ensuring you have plenty of this favorite mealtime option on hand. Trust Gerber to provide high-quality baby food you can rely on. We're dedicated to supporting your baby's healthy growth. What we like? This blend is fantastic for babies who enjoy a touch of sweetness with their meal. The inclusion of oatmeal makes it a hearty option, perfect for breakfast or a filling snack. If your baby loves fruity flavors and you want to ensure they get whole grains, this is a wonderful pick. What people say. The design is very practical and easy to use. It has a good grip and is comfortable to hold. The product is made of high-quality materials and feels durable. Number 2. Gerber Stage 2 Mango Puree Baby Food, 16-pack. Introducing Gerber Stage 2 Mango Puree, a delicious and nutritious option for your growing baby. Made with real mangoes, it's perfect for introducing new tastes. We believe in simple goodness. That's why our puree contains no artificial colors or flavors, just the natural taste of fruit your baby will love. As your little one progresses to stage 2, this smooth puree offers a delightful texture and flavor. It's designed to support their developmental milestones. Stock up with our convenient 16-pack. You'll always have a healthy and tasty meal ready for your baby, whether at home or on the go. Gerber has been a trusted name in baby food for generations. You can feel confident choosing our mango puree for your baby's nourishment. What we like. If your baby has a sweet tooth for exotic tastes, this is the one. It offers a bright, sunny flavor that can help expand their palate. Choose this if you're looking for a simple, delicious fruit puree to add variety to their diet. What people say. The Gerber Stage 2 is a great choice for babies transitioning to solid foods. It offers a good variety of flavors and textures that babies seem to enjoy. I appreciate the convenient packaging of Gerber Stage 2. The individual servings make it easy to pack for on-the-go feeding and reduce waste. Number 1. Gerber Organic Baby Food Starter Kit. Introducing the Gerber Organic Baby Food Starter Kit, a delightful assortment of pureed vegetables designed for your little one's first tastes. It's a convenient way to introduce healthy, organic ingredients. This starter kit features a variety of delicious veggie purees, perfect for exploring new flavors. Each pouch is crafted with care to ensure a smooth and enjoyable eating experience. With 4 convenient pouches in each pack, you'll have plenty to offer your baby. It's an ideal choice for busy parents looking for nutritious and easy-to-serve options. Made with certified organic ingredients, you can trust that you're providing the best for your baby. We believe in nurturing healthy eating habits from the very beginning. Our baby food is simple, pure, and packed with essential nutrients. It's the perfect way to support your baby's growth and development with wholesome goodness. Give your baby a wonderful start to their culinary adventure with these delightful veggie purees. It's a simple step towards a lifetime of healthy eating. What we like. This starter kit is the ultimate choice for parents who want to explore different tastes with their baby. It provides a curated selection of organic options, allowing your little one to try a range of vegetables. If you're just beginning the feeding journey and want to offer the best organic variety, this pack is perfect. What people say. The Gerber Stage 2 baby food is a great option for babies who are ready for more complex textures and flavors. It offers a good variety of single-ingredient and blended options, making it easy to introduce new tastes to your little one. The packaging is convenient and easy to open, and the portions are just right for a single feeding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.